Ready? Start. With reference to the said observations, it is submitted that the dispute being raised by the petitioner is beyond the scope of inquiry by the Assistant Registrar under Section 4B of the Act 1860 full stop. Moreover, the aforesaid order of the Assistant Registrar has not been challenged on merits full stop. No mandamus as such may be issued full stop. The writ petition may be rendered infructuous as no further adjudication is required full stop para. Insofar as the connected by the learned advocate for the respondent that in the said writ petition the prayer has been confined to the proceedings initiated under section 12D of the Act by two petitioners, namely Alok Srivastav and Rajesh Kumar Srivastav, full stop. The decisions of the Executive Committee of the Society dated 17/1/2016 and 7/2/2016 are not under challenge therein full stop. Insofar as the proceedings under Section 12D of the Act, there is no adjudication by the Assistant Registrar in the order impugned therein full stop. Moreover, no submissions have been made by the petitioners in that regard full stop. The writ petition number 44908 of 2017 for the prayer made therein has not been pressed and is therefore liable to be dismissed as such full stop para. Having heard learned counsel for the parties and perused the record, only question which arises before the court for adjudication is as to whether the assistant registrar has power to decide the issue of validity of resolution of the executive committee of the registered society is exercise of its jurisdiction under section 4B of the Act 1860 full stop para. The consequential question would be as to what relief can be granted to the petitioner in writ petition number 53462 of 2016 full stop. Insofar as writ petition number 44908 of 2017 is concerned, no submissions have been made by Sri G.K. Singh, learned senior advocate, during the course of arguments full stop para. To deal with the said question, it would be apposite to go through the provisions as contained in Section 4B of the Act 1860, which reads as under full stop para. At the time of registration oblique renewal of a society, list of members of general body of that society shall be filed with the registrar mentioning the name, father's name, address, and occupation of the members full stop. The registrar shall examine the correctness of the list of members of the general body of such society on the basis of the register of members of the general body and minutes books thereof, cash book, receipt book of membership fee, and bank passbook of the society full stop para. If there is any change in the list of members of the general body of the society referred to in subsection 1 on account of induction, removal, registration, or death of any member, a modified list of members of general body shall be filed with the registrar within 1 month from the date of change full stop para. The list of members of the general body to be filed with the registrar under this section shall be signed by two office bearers and two executive members of the society full stop. Thanks friends watching my video. Like, share and subscribe please.